Want to change the resolution of your finished video in Clipchamp? Choosing the right resolution can help you balance video quality, file size, and compatibility with different platforms. In this guide, I'll show you how to change video resolution in Clipchamp step by step in 2026. First, open Clipchamp and open the project you want to export. Before changing the resolution, review your timeline and make sure all your video clips, audio, text, and other edits are finished. When you're ready to create your final video, select the Export button in the top right area of the Clipchamp editor. This will open the available export quality options. Clipchamp provides different export resolution options depending on your project and account. You may see choices such as standard definition, high definition, full high definition, or higher resolutions. Select the option that best matches your needs. Keep in mind that higher resolution generally means more detail, but it can also create a larger video file. If you're uploading to a platform that supports high-quality video, a higher resolution may be useful. For simple sharing, a lower resolution may be enough. After selecting your preferred resolution, start the export. Clipchamp will process your project using the selected quality and create the final video file. Once the export is complete, open the finished video and check the resolution and overall quality. Make sure the video looks sharp and that there aren't any unexpected problems with the picture or audio. For future projects, choose your resolution based on where the video will be used. For example, high-definition video can work well for everyday sharing, while higher resolutions can be useful when maximum detail is important. And that's how to change video resolution in Clipchamp in 2026. Open your project, select Export, choose the resolution you need, export the video, and check the final result. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.